welcome to maths class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in the previous class we learned about divisibility rules. Am I correct, children? Yes. In the previous class we learned about divisibility rules. So we learned divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 5 and 10. So first I will ask one question, children. What is the divisibility rule of 2? What is the divisibility rule of 2? Last digits ending with 0. Last digits ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what are these, children? These are our even numbers. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? Last digits are ending with 2. Now next we learn about divisibility rule of 5. So what is the divisibility rule of 5, children? Last digit is 0 or 5. Last digit is 0 or 5. Next we learn divisibility rule of 10 also. So what is the divisibility rule of 10, children? Last digit is 0. Okay, last digit is 0. So the numbers that are ending with 0, those numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, the numbers that are ending with 0, those are divisible by 2, and the numbers that are ending with 0 are 5. For example, 50. So 50 here ending with 0 means 50 is divisible by 5. Now here 70. So here 70 is ending with 0 means 70 is divisible by 2. So now here 24 are written, children. Here 24 is ending with 4. So the last digit ending with these numbers, these are divisible by 2. Okay, children. So these are the divisibility rules. Now everyone open Studio page number 119. Page number 119. Observe 7.22. 7.22. Figure 2 shows images of people who are at a costume party. Okay, here some members have participated in one costume party at the place of Neverland. Using the test for divisibility by 2, 5 and 10 to find the following. So here given 3 clues, children. Anyone wearing a number divisible by 2, 5 and 10 is a king or queen. So color them in red. Anyone wearing a number divisible only by 2 is a minister. Color them in blue. Anyone wearing a number divisible only by 5 is a soldier. So color them soldier, color them in green. Okay, children, so we are given totally 3 clues. So first what we have to do, children? So first here you have to check the divisibility rules. We have to check divisibility rules. We are given totally 3 divisibility rules we learn now, children. So first we are given 220 here. The first person we are 220 now. So let us check the divisibility rules of 220. Everyone, children. Okay, children, so in the first person we are 220. So first let us find, is it divisible by 2, and next is it divisible by 5, and then next if we find, is it divisible by 10 or not. So first, what is the divisibility rule of 2, children? So the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here it is ending with 0. Means it is divisible by 2. Okay, here it is divisible by 2. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 5? The divisibility rule of 5 is the last digit means the number is ending with 0 or 5. So it is ending with 0 means it is divisible by 5. Okay, it is divisible by 5. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 10, children? number is ending with 0. Yes, in 220 it is ending with 0. Means it is divisible by 10. Okay, here 220 is divisible by 2, 5 and 10 also. Am I correct, children? Here 220 is divisible by 3 numbers means is it? It is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 5 and it is divisible by 10 also. So first everyone read the first clue here, children. Anyone bearing a number divisible by 2, 5 and 10 is a king or queen. Means he is king or queen? He is giant, so means he is king. Okay. So color them in red. So everyone color the first picture in red color. Okay, children. Everyone color the first picture in red color. Okay, children. Like that you have to complete. So I will explain another one and reminding you how to do the homework, children. Okay. So now observe the third one. 75. Observe the third one. 75 given now, children. So here let us check. 75 is divisible by 2. No. Why? Because here 75 is ending with 5. Means it is not divisible by 2. But is it divisible by 5? Okay. The number is ending with 5. It is divisible by 5. So 75 is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 10, children? So everyone check the numbers are divisible by 2 or 5 or 10 or not. Otherwise you have to write like this, children. First check the number 2. Is it divisible by 2 or not? If it is not divisible means go to the next one. Yes, 5. It is divisible by 5. So 5 after 10. So 75 is divisible by 10, children? No. So what is the divisible rule of 10? Number is ending with 0 only, but here given 5. Means here 75 is divisible by 5 only. Okay. 75 is divisible by 5 only. So here once everyone observe the third clue, children. Anyone wearing a number divisible by only 5 is a soldier. Color them in green. Okay. So anyone wearing a number is it, and it is divisible by 5 means he is soldier. Color them in green. Means what we have to do, children? So color the third picture with using of green color. Okay. Color the third picture with using of green color. Okay, children. So like that everyone complete this activity. Okay. Like that everyone complete. So everyone check the numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Here given clues. Observe these clues and color the pictures according to the given clues. Okay. Color the pictures according to the given clues. So now everyone open companion, children. Here given one project work. Actually this is group activity, children, but you are not here now. So I am simplify this and I will give now. So everyone first write any 2-digit number. Okay. So in this project work, listen carefully, everyone. I simplified this because you are not here now. So everyone write any 2-digit number. So now I am writing here one number. Don't copy this. Everyone write the numbers individually. I am repeating again. Don't copy this. I am explaining only. So write any 2-digit number means, for example, here I am writing 12. Okay, here I am writing number 12. So now think of a 2-digit number and write. So now write down its factors and multiples and divisibility rules. So now write here factors. Okay, now write factors. So what are the factors of 12? 1 12 are 12. Okay, so now in second table 2 6 are 12. 3 4 are 12. So 3 4 are after again 4 3s are. So 4 3s means again the number is repeating here. Okay, children, again here I am writing 4 3s means number is repeating. Okay, children, so here again you have to write factors. 4 3s means same number repeating means no need to write. So now what are the factors factors of 12? Factors of 12 is equal to, okay children, here these are all the factors of 12, okay, and I said already children, write the factors always in ascending order, means first 1, 2, next 3, so 3 after 4, next 4 after 6, 12, okay children, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, these are all the factors of 12. So now write multiples of 12, okay children, now write the multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? 12 ones are 12, okay, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Okay children, so like that you have to write. First take any 2-digit number. Is your wish, you have to take 15 or 17 or 25 or 28. As your wish, you have to think any 2-digit number and write factors, and then next write multiples. Now write multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 12 twos are 24, 36, 48, like that. Okay children. So after that we have to write divisibility rules. Means we learn 3 divisibility rules now children. So divisibility rule of 2, 5 and 10. So after the completion of factors and multiples, write divisibility rules. So here I pen 12. Let us check. It is divisible by 2 or not children? Here the 12 is ending with 2. Means it is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2 children? The numbers that are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is ending with 2. Means you have to write it is divisible by 2. So let us check children, is it divisible by 5? What is the divisibility rule of 5?
0 and 5.
The number that are ending with 0 or 5 means last digit is 0 or 5. But here 2 children means it is not divisible by 5. Then next, what is the divisibility rule of 10? Numbers ending with 0 means, but here 2 means it is not divisible by 5 and 2. So it is divisible by 2 only. So right here it is divisible by 2 only. Okay children, like that you have to complete your project work. So first of all, think any 2-digit number and write factors, and then next multiples, and let's check the divisibility rules. Okay children, this is about today's class. Thank you. Okay children, so our chapter completed. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.